Forces F1, F2, and F3 act on a particle. Determine the net work done on the particle when it moves from R1 to R2. Did you get your preamble, or shall I repeat? Repeat. Forces F1, F2, and F3 act on a particle. Determine the net work done on the particle when it moves from R1 to R2. So now, our university practice. F1 is 2I Newton, F2 is 2J Newton, F3 is 2K Newton, R1 is equal to I minus J meter, and R2 is equal to 2I minus 2J meter. Cornelius?
0 joules.
0. With the same preamble, Saint Ignatius. F1 is equal to 2I Newton. F2 is equal to 2J Newton. F3 is equal to 2K Newton. R1 is equal to I minus J meter. R2 is equal to 2I plus 2J meter. Please raise your hand. Yes, Cornelius.
8 joules.
Yes. F1 is equal to 2I Newton. F2 is equal to negative 2J Newton. F3 is equal to negative 2K Newton. R1 is equal to I minus J meter. And R2 is equal to 2I minus 2J meter. Yes, Adonai?
4 joules.
Yes. Name one, only one gland which is associated with the alimentary canal, and state what it produces or secretes. Name one gland which is associated with the alimentary canal and state what it produces or secretes. First choice, Opoku Ware.
Okay.
Cornelius.
We have the gastric glands in the stomach, and they secrete and release the gastric juice, which contains protein digesting enzymes
Yes.
such as.
Find the value of x if the following are consecutive terms of an exponential sequence. That's a preamble. Shall I repeat? Find the value of x if the following are consecutive terms of an exponential sequence. All right. So, 10x, 2x, 2. Cornelius.
X equals 5.
Yes. Determine the rest energy of a particle of mass 8.0 times 10 raised to the power negative 20 kilogram. Yes, Cornelius.
7.2 millijoules.
Yes. Fluid within the cells, also called cytosol. Which of you? Please raise your hand. Yes, Cornelius.
Intracellular fluid.
Yes. With the same preamble, St. Ignatius. The fluid that bathes cells in the tissues of organisms. Yes, Cornelius.
Interstitial fluid.
Yes. Which properties of the elements in a group are influenced by the decrease in first ionization energy?
Okay.
Yes, Cornelius.
Yeah, the metallic character, that's the ability of the atom to lose or gain electrons. To lose electrons, and the covalent character, that's the ability of the electrons to accept electrons.
The second one?
And the covalent character.
I'll give you 2 out of 3. Y is equal to x over the expression x plus 3. Adonai.
Madam, we have the inverse to be y is equal to 3x all over the expression 1 minus x.
Yes. Determine the speed of transverse waves on a wire whose mass per unit length is 2.5 times 10 raised to the power negative 2 kilogram per meter, stretched with a tension of 490 Newton. Yes, Cornelius.
Okay. We have 1.4 times 10 to the power 2 meters per second.
You're right. The gas needed for the process to occur. Yes, Cornelius.
In photosynthesis, we require CO2 to occur. That's during the carbon cycle. When the photorespiration, oxygen is what is required for the process to occur.
That's true. An element has 3 natural isotopes whose mass numbers and respective natural abundances are as follows: 68.0, 40.0%, 70.0, 40.0%, and 72.0, 20.0%. Calculate the atomic mass of the element. It was too late. Yes, Cornelius.
69.6.
Yes. 0%. Calculate the mass number of the third isotope. Adonai.
Madam, 84.0.
Yes. Calculate the atomic mass of the element. Adonai.
Go 50. Madam, 58.0.
Yes. The times when the car is midway between A and B. Yes, Adonai.
Okay, madam, at the first instance, it was in between A and B when the time was 1 hour 30 minutes. And at the second instance, when the time was 5 hours 30 minutes.
You're right. Find the magnitude of the magnetic flux density at the center of a circular loop of radius 0.20 meter, carrying a current of... Yes, Adonai.
Madam, we have 6.3 times 10 raised to the power minus 6 Tesla.
Yes. A second. How long would it take for the concentration of the reactant to decrease to 25% of its starting value? Cornelius.
We have 1.39 times 10 to the power 3 seconds.
Yes. What happens when double fertilization occurs in angiosperms? Yes, which of you? Cornelius.
When there's double fertilization, there's the formation of a triploid endosperm, and also there's the formation of a zygote. That is, there's the formation of a triploid endosperm. That's formed by the two poly.
Okay. Translate the exponential equation 10 raised to the power x is equal to 725 into an equivalent... Yes, Cornelius.
Okay, so we have in linear equation form to be x is equal to log of 725.
Yes. X squared minus 5x minus 24 over the expression x minus 8. Yes, Adonai.
Madam, x plus 3.
Yes. The effect of a reversible competitive enzyme inhibitor can be nullified by increasing temperature. Cornelius.
It's false.
Yes. I am a phenomenon in which electrons are emitted. I essentially involve a collision between a photon... Yes, Adonai.
Compton effect.
Yes, it's the Compton effect. My composition is dynamic as my mixture of cellular and non-cellular components, that is connective tissue, shifts with age and in response to systemic factors. In humans, I am colloquially characterized as red or yellow. Cornelius.
The bone marrow.
Yes. I am a process in mathematics. I am used in solving a quadratic equation. Mind you, I'm not factorization. Adonai.
Completing the square.
You're right.